What's up guys, Trey here from ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we're going to be checking out this Red Rock hood deflector and tailgate deflector set designed to fit the 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JKs. This is perfect for Jeep owners looking to protect their hood from debris, bugs, and chipping from small rocks while adding a sleek, aggressive, and customized look to the front end of their JK. This hood deflector is both functional and stylish with its blacked out look. It provides essential protection for your Jeep's hood and windshield area by deflecting small debris and bugs, reducing chances of chips and scratches from small rocks and other road debris. The black finish offers a rugged, off-road aesthetic while complementing your Jeep's existing trim and other blacked out accessories that you might have. This deflector is engineered to follow the contours of your Jeep's hood perfectly, ensuring a seamless, aerodynamic design. It uses a wraparound construction design to enhance coverage, providing superior defense against interfering with your visibility or the airflow. Constructed from durable, impact-resistant, high-quality molded thermoplastic, it is built to withstand the harsh weather conditions and the rugged trails. The material is lightweight yet incredibly strong, making it resistant to cracking, fading, or warping over time. Its black finish not only enhances the durability, but also adds a premium look to your Wrangler. Now, as far as pricing goes on this deflector set, it's coming in right around that $100 price range, making it an affordable and practical upgrade for Jeep owners looking to enhance protection and style. Installation is going to be very straightforward and doesn't require any drilling or modifications. The deflector attaches securely using this high-grade, automotive-grade adhesive, ensuring for a snug fit. You're just going to want to make sure you clean and prep that surface very thoroughly for the best adhesion. The process is rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty scale and should only take you 15 minutes to complete. So this is easy for anybody to get the job done. Now let's check out exactly how this is done with an install video from one of our ExtremeTerrain.com customers.
Today I'm going to be installing the Red Rock hood deflector on a 2015 Jeep Wrangler JK. I've went ahead and done part of the prep work. I've used Windex and wiped this all down. Now I'm going to take the rubbing alcohol and clean this really well so we can get good contact with the hood. I like to go ahead with these red strips and go ahead and cut them here and here. That way when I put it down, I can get me on my center fit. Then I can rip them out as I go. Got a good fit on the middle, so I can go ahead and take these out. Go ahead and press down firmly on the middle and get that started. Then just work your way down. Make sure it makes good contact with the hood. It helps when you take all the red tape off. The tools that we used, I had done prep work with the Windex and paper towel. I then took the alcohol and rubbed it down and rubbed this off and got this clean. We're going to now move to the back of the Jeep and put the tailgate deflector on. Once again, I've already cleaned this with Windex. I'll use the alcohol. I've also already started and had this ready to go so it doesn't take as long. just like that in that short amount of time.
All right, that's gonna wrap it up for our review and install of the Red Rock hood deflector and tailgate deflector set for the 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JKs. And for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.